Hi everyone, this is Azoy Bicolana, Dream Home Finder in Pampanga, and for today, I will be showing you this renovated single-story house for sale here in Puloam 6 subdivision. Puloam 6 subdivision is a very secured and one of the high-end subdivision here in Pampanga, and it's very close to SM Clark, also going to International Airport. Now, I will be starting sa garahe niya na kasi dito pa nakatira yung owner, seller, kaya for privacy, dito na tayo sa garahe nila. Pero if you want to check the house mismo, you can just book the viewing from the numbers flashing on your screen. So, sa garahe nyo, pwedeng 2 to 3 vehicles kasi this area, kaya na yung mga compact cars. And then, kung nasan mismo si Mr. K is 3 carport. And then I can see may mga CCTV na installed sa buong bahay or common areas. And this one, kumbaga direct access nyo from your carport. Meron na dito. Tapos, narinig natin may smart lock. Tapos, sa bandang likod dito, you have your, kumbaga backyard. Dito na yung helpers area, quarters, and then doon may bandang garden pa. Malaki ng lote na to. Tapos, ang ganda ng pagka-renovate nila for the bungalow. And at the same time, nasa main road pala tayo ng subdivision. Right here. Daling ko kayo ng konti dito. Kasi very spacious yung bahay. Right here. So you have your pwedeng grill area sa likod nito, and then you have your covered lanay pala over here na may parang pergola inspired. And all the way there, meron kayong garden space. Sige, pasok na tayo. Yan. Alright. I'll see you inside. Iwan ko lang yung shoes ko. Ayan. Close it for you. Welcome to your dream home. Grabe, pagpasok niyo pa lang ng pinto. Open na open. Tapos, it's not na maximize. Talagang kitang-kita yung ang laki ng space na gagalawan nyo for daily. And then, a modern main door. Tama, no? Main door. Tapos, pwede nyong i-block out pa with the curtain. Not the usual wooden doors, no? Yung pinaka-main entrance natin. Anyway, bubungad sa atin yung spacious living area natin na kayang-kaya kahit 8 people na nanonood dito sa 65-inch television nyo. Mukha siyang maliit, oh. Pero dahil ang laki kasi ng space, bakit ang space naman? Ang laki. So mukha siyang maliit, pero 65 inches siya. And also, the house comes furnished. Mga personal na lang nung seller yung kukunin nila kapag nag-move out sila, kapag nabili nyo na yung house. Then, ito yung door na access from your carport. Metal siya. Kumbaga, parang Korean door. Yung mga Korean houses, ganyan. Then, right here, you have your space. Ito may mga alcoholic. This is a wine chiller. And then, connected sa dining area nyo, living area nyo is your dining area. You can also add another, ano pa pala dito? May sariling chandelier dito. You have a simple dining area, pero malaki yung space. Kasi pwede nyo pa itong i-upgrade up to 10-seater. Sa luwag ba naman ng lote. Then, dito naman is syempre, you have your formal kitchen. Kahit na isa tong bahay na to sa mga naunang bahay dito sa subdivision, well-maintained yung bahay. Ang linis eh. You have your coffee machine. Yan o. Ang linis pati. Lutuan dito parang di nagagamit. Organized. And then another thing is, this door, di ko na lang papakita kasi andito yung mga helpers nila. But you have another door here na na-mention ko na kanina. Ito yung access nila. Kung dito sila nagpapahinga, tas bandang likod pa yan. Okay. B-roll na lang yung makikita nyo. It's so cute. May rest area yung mga helpers doon. Ang galing. Tapos, this one is my favorite. Kung may mga kids kayo, pwedeng dito na sila mag-play area. Carpet nyo lang to, buong floor. Or family area nga. Wala lang TV ngayon na naka-install, pero yun yung mga potential na pwede nyo gawin dito. So, uunahin ko tong room na to. This is what? 4 bedrooms. Unahin ko to kasi may maganda siyang view. Ay, ba't ako nagpagpag? Okay, first room. You have your queen size bed and then bandang corner yung cabinet niya. And then this area is kayo yung may view nito. Ito yung waterfall lang naman yan, pero you have your green space pa kasi dito sa bandang likod. Also right here. Diba? Very cozy. Tapos ito po, ang ganda ng mga ceiling lights. Parang moon. Next door. Toilet. Toilet and bath. Kahit yung toilet and bath, kasya naman dalawa agad pumasok. Even the shower area. Space. Wait lang, nag-iingay ata to. Excuse me. A while. That's okay. May English. Okay. And for the next door. Now this one, since andito pa sila nakatira and then yung ibang gamit nila is andito, this excuse na lang. May mga gamit siya. Pero you can see na spacious pa rin siya. Tapos this room, connected siya sa ano, yung naka-elevate part na yan. So you have 2 steps going here. Ito yung room na yun. This next door. Oh, another spacious room. Oh, this one may TV. May nagsistay dito. Di ba? Ang ganda ng effect nito. Even ito pala yung reading lights nito. And of course, you have natural lights. Sino bang ayaw ng natural lights? Konti na lang a-add. Well, if you're into a single story but spacious, I think ito yung perfect house para sa inyo. For the next room is our, of course, master bedroom. 4th room. Ito, ang laki na talaga. Very spacious na talaga to. And then feeling ko kahit walang ilaw, maliwanag siya because ang ganda ng pagkapintura at the same time maraming natural light. Very minimal lang yung colors niya. Ay, sige, pakita ko na sa inyo to. You have your, ano kasi dito, coffee or tea area. Yan. See? Well, you don't need a pool kasi may amenities naman tong subdivision na to. And ang laki ng swimming pool nito. Amenities niya. Yeah. In fairness. Ganda nga naman kasi ng subdivision nito. Pati neighborhood niya maganda. And you have your spacious walk-in closet. Ay, mga closet na yan. And this one, ang ganda mag-display ng mga dress niyo or mga collection ng bags niyo dito. Kita niya naman, ang laki niyan. Hindi ko naabot. And your ensuite. This is your ensuite. Every toilet, separate area, sink na sa middle, and then sa gilid yung shower area. Ano ba? Yes. Sorry, towel. Okay lang yan. Wet room eh. Ayan. Siguro balik ako. Yung favorite part ko is the living room kasi how open yung pinakabahay. Balik ako dito. I'll give you your quick recap. Okay. Who's excited now? Thank you. Okay, for the quick recap again, this house is renovated, single story, and available for sale here in Pulo Amsig. For the house, this sits at 552 square meters for the lot area, and you have 234 square meters for your floor area. This is four bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath. You also have your maid's room with own toilet and bath as well. Your carport is 2 to 3 vehicles, and you also have CCTV installed na and the house comes furnished. future homeowners, let's move beyond the open budget myth and focus on what really matters. Finding the home that's right for you. Again, this is Hazel Bicolana, Dream Home Finder in Pampanga. See you on our next video.